Hey guys, what's up? Pretty much at the field right now. I just wanted to test out something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top and the bottom off of the Tello, just to see what if it still flies or what the dealio is. But yeah, I'm gonna take those off, see if it flies faster or what it does. I'm just curious. Alright, here it is. I took the heat sink off with those 4 screws. This is what it looks like underneath. I bet you some of them look a lot better than this, but you got to remember this one was submerged in water, so that's probably why of all the crap on there and things like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Now I want to see if it flies. Hey guys, just fair warning. This thing does fly, but remember, it don't have the top and it don't have the bottom. And I've been getting a lot of pirouettes with it.